The Vision GuardBoxAir is a compact mobile surveillance unit designed for rapid, hassle-free deployment in any environment. Ideal for securing construction sites, remote parking lots, events and festivals, and critical infrastructure. Every GuardBoxAir comes with dual 4-megapixel Tri-Guard smart solar cameras, high-visibility LED strip lights, active deterrent system with police lights and a two-way IP speaker, allowing you to listen in and communicate directly with anyone on site. Our robust solar power system has a 60-watt solar panel and a 320-watt-hours lithium battery, ensuring reliable, all-weather performance. Choose from 3 powerful outdoor camera packages to fit your specific needs. GuardBoxAir's install-friendly design provides an immediate and powerful outdoor security presence without needing fixed power or network cables. Vision brings cutting-edge AI technology to the palm of your hand. With our automated software, you can monitor your site and investigate incidents from anywhere. Access live feeds, use two-way audio, and stop intruders before they act with the AI Virtual Guard. Real-time intervention, day or night. Set up advanced AI analytics to scan for anything you want to be notified of, from someone smoking to someone falling or not wearing their hard hat. Our agentic AI tools keep a detailed report of everything that's happening, keeping you informed of important moments and making it easy to navigate and search for events. GuardBoxAir, professional-grade hardware for uncompromising performance.